In this video, I will draw a Halloween zombie step by step. Follow how to draw Halloween zombies. Let's draw together. I started by drawing the hair. Draw the front hair with up and down lines. After that, draw the temples and ears. Draw the chin so that the face is perfect. Draw the inside of the ear by drawing two lines. After that, draw the other ear. Draw the inside of the ear by drawing two lines. Now it's time to draw the two eyes. Start by drawing a horizontal curved line. After that, draw the eyes with curved lines. Also draw both eyebrows. After that, draw the nose and mouth. Draw his tongue sticking out of his mouth. Also draw the bone coming out of his chin. Color the eyes black. Draw a scar on his forehead. After that, draw the body. I started by drawing the hands. Draw the palm and fingers. Also draw the other hand. Also draw the fingers. Finish the upper body drawing by drawing the bottom of the shirt. After that, draw the legs. Start by drawing the legs with vertical lines. Also draw the other leg. Draw the shoes. Start by drawing curved lines and oval shapes. Also draw the other shoe. Give him a pocket in his trousers. Finally, draw the top hair with up and down lines. The zombie image is ready. Please color it according to your wishes. See you in the next video.